Sleep is a fundamental pillar of overall health and well-being. It is as essential to the body as food and water, providing the necessary time for physical and mental restoration. Despite this, sleep is often overlooked in modern society, where busy lifestyles, stress, and technology can disrupt natural sleep patterns. Understanding the importance of sleep and prioritizing it in daily routines can have profound effects on both short-term and long-term health, influencing everything from mood and cognitive function to immune strength and the prevention of chronic illnesses. The body uses sleep as a time to heal, restore, and rejuvenate. During sleep, muscles are repaired, tissue growth occurs, and energy is replenished. It is also when the brain consolidates memories, processes information from the day, and clears out toxins that build up during waking hours. This cleansing process is vital for cognitive function, helping to maintain clarity of thought, focus, and problem-solving skills. Without adequate sleep, individuals can experience impaired judgment, slower reaction times, and difficulty concentrating. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can lead to more serious cognitive decline, impacting memory and increasing the risk of conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Sleep is also deeply connected to emotional regulation. A well-rested brain is better able to manage stress, anxiety, and mood fluctuations. When sleep is disrupted or insufficient, individuals may find themselves more irritable, less patient, and more prone to emotional outbursts. This can affect relationships, work performance, and overall quality of life. Sleep plays a crucial role in stabilizing hormones that regulate mood, including serotonin and cortisol. A lack of sleep can lead to an imbalance in these hormones, resulting in heightened feelings of anxiety or depression. Therefore, consistent and restful sleep is a key factor in maintaining emotional balance and resilience. Physically, sleep is essential for the proper functioning of the immune system. While asleep, the body produces cytokines, proteins that help fight off infections, inflammation, and stress. These cytokines are necessary for an effective immune response, which is why individuals who are sleep-deprived are more susceptible to colds, flu, and other infections. Adequate sleep also supports the body's ability to respond to vaccines, making it a critical aspect of overall immune health. Conversely, chronic sleep deprivation can weaken the immune system, leaving the body more vulnerable to illnesses and infections. In addition to its role in immune function, sleep has a significant impact on metabolism and weight management. During sleep, hormones that control hunger and satiety are regulated, including leptin, which suppresses appetite, and ghrelin, which stimulates it. A lack of sleep can disrupt the balance of these hormones, leading to increased feelings of hunger and a tendency to overeat. This is why sleep deprivation is often linked to weight gain and obesity. Moreover, when tired, individuals are more likely to crave high-calorie, sugary foods, as the body seeks quick sources of energy. Regular restful sleep helps maintain a healthy metabolism and supports weight control by regulating these hunger-related hormones. Sleep also influences cardiovascular health. During sleep, the body's heart rate and blood pressure naturally decrease, allowing the cardiovascular system to rest and recover. Over time, poor sleep can contribute to high blood pressure, increased inflammation, and higher levels of stress hormones, all of which can strain the heart and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that individuals who consistently get insufficient sleep are at a higher risk of developing heart-related issues, highlighting the importance of sleep in maintaining a healthy heart and circulatory system. For athletes and those engaged in regular physical activity, sleep is an essential component of performance and recovery. Muscles undergo repair and growth during sleep, particularly in the deeper stages, making it a crucial time for physical regeneration. Athletes who prioritize sleep often experience faster recovery times, improved endurance, and better overall performance. Conversely, sleep deprivation can lead to decreased coordination, slower reaction times, and a higher risk of injury. Prioritizing sleep, therefore, can significantly enhance physical performance and fitness goals. The quality of sleep is just as important as the quantity. Factors such as sleep environment, routine, and lifestyle habits all contribute to whether a person experiences restful, uninterrupted sleep. Creating a sleep-friendly environment, which includes a comfortable mattress, minimal noise, and a cool, dark room, can improve the chances of falling asleep and staying asleep. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, where bedtime and wake-up time remain consistent, helps regulate the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This rhythm plays a vital role in determining sleep patterns, and disruptions to it, such as irregular sleep hours or frequent exposure to screens before bed, can negatively affect sleep quality. In addition to environmental factors, lifestyle choices also have a significant impact on sleep. Caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals close to bedtime can all interfere with the ability to fall asleep or stay asleep. Physical activity, on the other hand, can improve sleep quality as long as it is not too close to bedtime, as it may stimulate the body. Incorporating relaxation techniques such as reading, meditation, or deep breathing before bed can help calm the mind and prepare the body for sleep. These practices signal to the brain that it is time to unwind and can significantly enhance the ease of falling asleep. Sleep, as a cornerstone of overall health, cannot be underestimated. Its benefits extend across physical, mental, and emotional well-being, making it a critical component of a healthy lifestyle. Consistently prioritizing sleep, maintaining good sleep hygiene, and recognizing the signs of sleep deprivation can help individuals protect their health, improve their quality of life, and enhance both short-term and long-term well-being. Whether managing stress, boosting immune function, or maintaining cognitive sharpness, sleep remains a powerful tool for living a healthier, more balanced life.